It finally happened, and I couldn't stop it. People getting hurt doing normal tasks. No one would listen to me. I said one day not stretching would catch up to them. One day it'd cause an outbreak of stiffies. The infected start subtle, rubbing limbs, grunts, groans, then full takeover, wandering the earth, moaning uncontrollably. Try to run, but eventually they wear us down. They moan until we become infected too. All we can do is hide and try to stretch as much as we can.
Tom! What are you doing? It's not safe.
We have us surrounded. There's stiffies everywhere. They're coming hard and fast. What will we do?
I just wanted to connect the world more Flong Sexible.
This is no time to dwell on your mistakes, Tom. If we don't get out of here, we're gonna die.
There's nowhere to go. It's over.
I know somewhere we can go, but it may not be safe to walk.
Who's he?
I think it's our car outside though.
We'll never make it. They'll eat us alive. We're just too darn Flong and Sexible.
What if we weren't?
Oh, that's getting old. It's no joke.
Quacks in agony. Yay!
No work down the stun, sitting my house.
These old bees.
I wish I was your age.
Arthur. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Hey! Tom Morrison! You're that stretchy guy from the internet! Hi!
We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it.
Wow, Tom Morrison, what a great day! Oh no! Ow!
Go.
Lizzie? Oh, Lizzie!
I can't believe that didn't work. Tom, what? I have never seen that many stiffies in one place.
Whoa.
We all just need to take a minute and calm down.
You're making a scene.
Jenni, can you order us a taxi?
It's not the getting down. It's the getting up again.
Jimmy, move!
With these, all these.
That was close. That was so close. What?
Nothing. Just I thought you would have been killed off by now.
Well, first things first, that's rude. And second things first, it's not like this is some kind of advert for your online Flong and Sexible programs.
With amazing 5-star reviews.
This is real life. So, I guess I'll just go.
Yeah, it's probably for the best.
So, yeah, I'll. So, or no, if you're, yeah, it's okay. Good luck with.
You too.
Just
Yeah. That was weird. I guess that's it then. I just have to wait to turn. I'm immune.
Breaking news, Tom Morrison cures stiffy epidemic with his online program. Just confirmed to us here in the newsroom in the past few moments. I think we'd all agree our nation owes him a great debt. We hope to hear from Tom Morrison shortly, but for now, that's it. The breaking news.
Phew, that was lucky. Stiffies almost had us there.
You guys were so worried.
Just goes to show though, a wiggle a day keeps the niggles away.